Begin solving patterns again. So yeah, now we were on pattern 13. If we see, this is quite easy. Even this all we can be done. This looks quite tricky. 19th pattern. Even 20 is quite tricky. 21 is easy. 22 is also a little bit tricky, but we will eventually try to solve these patterns. Yeah, now we were on pattern 13. So yeah, quickly we will solve this. This is easy. In first row we have to print 1, then 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now this is similar to this pyramid, the left skewed pyramid, we can say this. And yeah, let us quickly begin the work, and let us quickly begin the code without wasting further time. For int I equal to 0 to 5, because we have to print 5 rows, so it will be having 5. uh, I will run from 0 to 5 from int hmm, okay, so two numbers. For int j equal to 0 to I, we have to run j equal to 0, but again j less than or equal to I if we do, and j plus plus. Now here we have to see what we have to print, so we can take a temporary variable here. Int temp is equal to some 0 maybe. Okay, not 0, 1 I think. It is starting from 1, then 2, 3, then yeah. Okay, so temp will be initialized from 1, then we will print temp, and we will increment temp at each loop at the end of each iteration. So yeah, I think this makes sense for me. And and here only we have to increment the temp, because after 2 immediately this j loop will not break, so it will continue. So after 2 immediately we have to print 3, and not print ln, just simply print, and then we have to do here print ln. I think this is good to go. We are good to go. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can also add space, then nothing, no issue regarding that. We can just add space. What we can do is here just simply we can concatenate this and do it like this. Yeah, simple. In one thing I want to say you here. So this temp is of int type, and we are doing concatenation of this temp with this string. This thing we can't do in Python. We have to use that dollar symbol, or even in Kotlin we have to use that dollar symbol, or we have to write that f string. So there are some other ways to do in Python. Yeah, in Java you can directly do this. If you know Python, then you will understand what I want to say. So yeah, now this is done. Now A B, A B C, A B C D, A B C D E. Now again this is quite tricky. Now we can't simply increment this. Now we can't simply increment this by 1. This is not a number now. Now what we have to do is A, then A B, then A B C, then A B C D, then A B C D E. These all 5 strings we have to print. One thing we can do, but that will be lengthy. Array I can store A B C D E, then print items from that array. But again, yeah, let's first try. I'll try my solution, then let's see the best solution. What is the best solution? Because this how we learn, not by directly seeing the solution, but 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 trying and doing mistakes, this is completely okay. How to array initialize an array? Sorry, I'm forgetting that, but yeah, it's quite simple. String alpha we can keep new string, or we can just simply store the elements in this. Okay. Now again, why I am using this string, why I am not using this char, we can simply initialize this arrays using char, but I will not use this char because string concatenation it will be easy. Then again, to string, to char, those functions I need to use. So to avoid that, I am using this. But yeah, let me see how to initialize a string array in Java. I should be knowing this, but yeah, again, still I am learning. Okay, this is correct only, my approach. I was just doubting myself, just cross verification. A, yeah, even there is no error here. Okay, yeah, fine. A, then B, then C, then D, then E. So I am using an extra memory here where this code is not generally considered as a good code, but still this array memory I am using. So this for loop time complexity will not be an issue. This will remain same, but yeah, this extra memory overhead I am putting, and also what I will be doing here, to print this arrays dot toString, this I will use. So again, okay, not required, right? Yeah, not required. Array, yeah. If I have to print the complete array, then I have to use that arrays dot toString alpha. So to print that complete array, but here just we are printing a single element, so we can do it via indexing. Yeah, J, and now here I don't need this temp, and I think we are good to go after this. But let us see the output. A B C D. So yeah, I got the output, but again, this is not the optimal output, which what I think is approach code. Huh. Okay, yeah. I forgot this concept. I learned it many days ago. I need to make a special note on this topic. For char ch less than a, so yeah, ASCII and int, these all can be iterated. Yeah, what they are doing is they are just simply, character ch, they are initializing. Okay, character initialization is also there in for loops. This is quite new concept for me. And ch less than a, if we see this, then this is just simply comparing ASCII number of this character A and this upcoming characters. Yeah, ch plus ac, quite smart and quite tricky for loop they have implemented, but this will be more optimal because there is no extra space overhead. And again, we never know the n. If n is 26, then we have to create an array of size 26 and again index that. Indexing and getting value is easy in array, but adding and removing elements is not easy in array, because adding and removing element is in linked list, but accessing and getting the array element or the ith position element in array is easy. In linked list it is difficult. This is simple general things. So yeah, complexity analysis, time complexity and square. The code which I have written is n, but again this is not that much uh, good code which I have written. So I think you got it for huh, for char ch. So yeah, they are directly initializing this character. So this is a good thing to note. And we can also remove this array or comment this out. Yeah, we can comment this out. And now let us run this code. Yeah, A B, A B C, A B C D. That's it.